If you think this 100,000 square foot manufacturing facility is impressive, wait until you see the steel fabrication services they turn out. This is S&S Welding.
We are a structural steel fabricator out of Central Florida. We produce structural steel for strip malls, grocery stores, and entertainment facilities. I purchased the company back in 2003. Me and my wife, it's just me and her doing this. And we've grown tremendously over the last 18 years, from 3 employees up to 65. We do work all over the country.
While welding is in their name, it's not all they do.
We cut steel here, we form steel, we produce steel, we produce rails, we do a lot of bolting of items together. So it's not just about welding. We also erect the buildings once we have produced all the steel. So, and most of the erecting of steel is done via bolting. The welding is just a small part of that. We provide a rust preventative primer coat on our steel. And this prevents the rust from forming prior to the building being closed in.
S&S Welding presently has 2 Lincoln Python fabricating machines, and we're in the process of buying the 3rd one. The machines help us in 2 ways. One, with quality, it's impeccable. When the material gets to the field, there's no rework that has to be done. The erectors absolutely love the material that comes out of the shop. It also helps us production-wise because we're able to schedule work, because there's a constant flow of work that comes through the Pythons. You don't have to worry about manual labor. It'll automatically feed the shop.
Quality and efficiency make S&S Welding a great partner for projects large and small.
The quality S&S Welding provides is due to the fact that almost all of our machinery is operated via computers. So it takes the human error out of the equation. So we feed the file into the machine spits out as close to perfect product as you can get based on the information put into the machine.
One of the big advantages we have with the technology we have in the shop, whether it be the Pythons or the new Messer burn tables we have, or the lifting equipment that Dale's put in the shop, it helps us become much more competitive in the market. And it helps us become more profitable because we can turn the steel out of the shop a lot quicker. And with the Pythons, we're able to produce the steel at a consistent rate, which allows us to really hone in on these tight job time frames that we can help supply contractors with.
The employees who work at S&S are highly trained in the equipment that we use. We have the top of the line welders, and we have a very elite group of fitters. All these people have gone to school to learn this trade, and what they haven't learned at school, they are taught on site.
And their CNC-aided fabrication makes even the most challenging projects a success.
Over the last few years, we've acquired machinery that has CNC capabilities to produce high-quality, accurate products that install very good and bolt up real nice. Yes, reinvesting in technology is a big part of what we do. Over the years, I've reinvested money back to the company. I have great employees. They deserve the best tools to use to produce the product that we need to produce.
When you work with S&S Welding, you can be guaranteed you're going to get a quality product on time.
For more information about S&S Welding, visit their website, s-swelding.com. And of course, visit our website, InsideTheBlueprint.com.